Jimmy the Boiler Man. Hope everybody's doing well out there. It's your YouTube plumber. That's right. We're here today. We're going to replace a 1-inch radiator steam valve, which you guys can see right here. We're actually, I don't know if you guys can see it right there. I'm actually in Freeport, New York. Customer called it because it's leaking. So it is an old radiator. You guys can see. It's a beautiful radiator, by the way. But we got to change the valve because it's going to ruin her carpet. It's going to ruin her ceilings. So we're here to make sure that doesn't happen. So guys, take a journey with me today. And I'm going to show you today what it is to replace a radiator steam valve. To replace a radiator steam valve. My bad. All right, guys. So first step is we got to loosen the union. Make sure the union is loose. Oh, there's some water here, so we're gonna have to get something. So we're gonna have to put some sort of a bucket or some sort here to capture the water as much as we can. I always recommend get one of those Chinese plates. You can put them on the bottom. They're short and they're shallow. Put them on the bottom and it collects the water. All right, mi gente, we're here in the boiler room. We're about to replace a radiator shutoff valve, but it is a hot water system. I made a mistake. I thought it was actually a steam valve because I thought it was a steam system. But when I got here, take a look. It's a crown boiler hot water system, so we need to shut off the water. So right here, we're actually in the boiler room. I found the pressure reducing valve, which is right here. I need to follow it back, see if we can find a shut off valve, which we did, which is right over here. All right, so now we shut this off. Now we got to relieve the pressure. So it's a little bit of a process because since it is a hot water system, we got to shut off the water feed going to the boiler. Now we have to drain the system because the job is on the second floor. Make sure the water level goes down or lower than the second floor. And as soon as we get the water level down, then we're able to do our job. So guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're draining out the water from the actual radiator. It is a hot water system. It's not a steam system, so you gotta take out the water. I did lower the water level, but whatever's residuals in this radiator is gonna come out. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, we're about to install this 1-inch radiator valve. So we'll go from here to here. Stay tuned.